Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a elegantly designed spacious house for sale. It is located at Hartwell Gardens in Maypen, Clarendon. It comprises of 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, kitchen, living room, dining room, spare room for an office space or extra bedroom, washroom, back porch, double car garage at front of building and utility room. Master bedroom as ensuite bathroom and 2 walk-in closets. Additional features include automatic gate and camera system. The land area is approximately 8,712 square feet. This beautiful home needs a few finishing touches to complete the renovations. Please contact your agent for viewing. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 26 million or US $168,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.